Hello, today we are going to make this sci-fi pattern in Substance Designer. We start off with a tile random, decreasing the interstice to 0 and increasing the color random. Now we copy and paste the node. We just play with the random seed and we play with the random mask. Now we add a threshold node so it can be used as a mask. Now after that we add a blend node and we use the top one the background and the bottom one the foreground, and we use the threshold and the opacity. So now what we are doing, we're basically adding this on top of this, as you can see here. Now we copy and paste the node to repeat the process, this time making the tiles slightly bigger or really big, just so we can follow big, small, medium rule, and we blend them as before. And now we can create an edge detect node that would help us to bring the final pattern alive, as you can see here. We can play with it to get something along the line of this, and we can use the bevel node to just smooth out a little bit the edges. If you want the files, you can get the files for free. Check the first comment for that. If you want me to cover the full material, please let me know. Only 5 comments and I will do just that.